So this has a lot to do with our own karma. Karma is not destiny. It's not a predestined outcome. It's not a punishment. It's not fate that cannot be changed. It feels that way because there's a momentum to karma. But that momentum to karma is our own wrong choosing based on it. So what does that mean? It means that we're harmfully conditioned. So unhealthy thinking causes a reaction. It triggers unskillful, unhealthy, unwholesome actions. And that's a cycle that we've ingrained over and over and over and over and over again. That's the momentum. When we are triggered and we have an unhealthy thinking that promotes or triggers an unhealthy action. And it happens so quickly, it feels like there's nothing we can do about it. And it's just, that's my karma. You've heard people say, that's my karma. It might be, but it doesn't have to be. That's the difference. In every moment, we have the ability to change the trajectory of our karma and hence the trajectory of our lives. Buddhist practice is about finding that moment of non-activity, that moment of ease, that moment of equanimity. I'm trying to tie this into what we were first talking about how we have to fill things. We're so used to filling things with our reactions that what we're doing here is changing our minds so we change the choices of how we're going to act in the next moment. Every moment, we have the power to change the next moment. In fact, if you want to know what your future entails, look at what you're doing in this moment. And now this moment. And now this moment. And now this moment. Every moment we have the ability to renounce, to refrain, and choose not to follow the momentum of that habitual reactivity, but to create new, healthy, and wholesome behavior that takes us away in a different direction.